Unbox the Yarbo Core package. Here are all the accessories and the attachments. Cut the box along the cutting line on the bottom of the packaging box. Push the unit out of the packaging box. Unbox the battery package. Remove the battery cover and place in the battery. Connect the cable from the Yarbo core to the battery. Make sure the battery connection is secure when inserting it. Replace the cover. Screw the anti-theft bolts on both sides using battery cover wrench. Remove the red screw cap and rubber rings on the RTK antenna mounts. Take out the high RTK antennas and align them with the connection shaft on Yarbo core. Insert the 6 RTK antenna mount bolts provided in the package and tighten them with Allen key number 2. Remove the white screw cap on the hollow antenna mount. Keep the black rubber ring in for waterproofing. Locate the hollow antenna and screw the antenna into the hollow antenna mount until hand tight. Unbox the blower module package. Here are all the accessories and the attachments. Take out the accessories from the package one by one. Lift up the safety latches on both sides of the blower. Remove the rubber cover. Carefully insert the cable into the port located on the blower module, ensuring that it is properly aligned and securely connected. Align the 4 mounting points of the rubber cover and reinstall it. Locate the shafts and holes in the Yarbo core and blower module and align the 2 parts. Lower the safety latches on both sides of the blower. Push the blower module in until it clicks. Lift the emergency stop button. Remove the rear cover. Press the power button until the lights on the Yarbo body illuminate. Place back the rear cover. It will then start self-checking until you hear, "Ready to work."
Ready to work.
Connect the hose to the blower chute according to the alignment marks. Remove the screws on the front of the blower, then take off the cover. Connect the other end of the hose to the blower, then reinstall and tighten the screws.